Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today I'm just gonna share this opportunity very quickly. This is for the post of a senior technician, that is a mechanical engineer, and this job has visa sponsorship. Like I said, visa sponsorship, like I said in my previous video, rather, visa sponsorship is actually not scarce. It could only be scarce for a care job. Yeah. So here is a mechanical engineer slot with visa sponsorship in Derbyshire, UK. Now this is I got this when this I got this the second day it was advertised. But I've been dropping them one after the other, but I think I'm going to just drop all of them today back to back. Okay, so yeah, this is the summary. Just read through what this position is all about. Excuse me. Okay, so just take your time and read through all of this. It's just a short video to just show you what this role is all about. Okay, so this role is to you will support and develop practical related activities for the engineering technician apprenticeship scheme. You will be working across level 3, 4, and 6 programs within a newly created Nuclear Skills Academy with a particular emphasis on mechanical manufacturing, welding, and fabrication, including milling, turning, and CNC work. Okay, so as you can see all of that, please just click on the application link so you can spend time to read through the details of this job. So it says application from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. While this role is eligible for sponsorship under the skilled worker route, we recommend that you assess your individual eligibility before applying for the position. So it's advisable that you go through the UK government website and check if you're eligible for this job. So it says to be eligible for sponsorship, you must evidence that you hold all essential qualifications listed on the job description. Please note equivalent experience will not be accepted as evidence of the essential qualifications. If you're successful, you will be required to undertake a disclosure and bearing services check. The post for which you're applying is from section blah blah blah. Okay, so you can read all of this. More importantly, this job is closing on the 20th March 2024, so you still have a good time to look into what it entails, what is required of anyone embracing this position. And it might just be a position that is not for you. Don't hesitate to share with somebody who would like to embrace this kind of opportunity. So that is all for this video, just to share the details for you, and we're gonna see next in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.